Antarctica's climate is warming at an unprecedented rate, and scientists are battling with dangerously thin ice and equipment falling through into the sea beneath. For 20 years, Simon Morley has been diving into the frigid waters of Antarctica to study strange and colorful sea life, but climate change is making it unsafe. Morley recalls how they used to get over 100 dives in the winter, but now they manage only 5 to 10 due to thinning ice. The ice is creating a catch-22 situation. Too thick for boats, but not thick enough to cut holes for diving. Iconic sites like giant glaciers and king penguins are disappearing as Antarctica warms up. The glacier Morley learned to ski on in South Georgia is no longer there, replaced by bare ground and invasive meadow grass. Scientists are now trying to carry out dives in clusters during summer and winter to make seasonal comparisons. One reason for the urgency is to study past climate patterns through ice cores, which are threatened by retreating glaciers. Morley is fascinated by the extraordinary species he encounters, like sponge, anemone, and sea squirt gardens. These underwater wonderlands are at risk from algae blooms and moving chunks of ice due to less ice cover. In the Arctic, sea ice physicist Jeremy Wilkinson has had to adjust experiments because the ice is less reliable. Wilkinson's instruments now have to float because the ice melts too quickly. In McMurdo Sound, sea ice is getting thinner and forming later, startling marine physicist Natalie Robinson. In 2022, open water persisted until the end of August, delaying ice formation and experiments. Robinson's team had to transport equipment on foot due to thin ice, a first for New Zealand scientists. Storms are becoming more prevalent, making research more difficult and dangerous. Robinson has been trying to study platelet ice for 7 years, but has faced unfavorable weather conditions. Warmer temperatures and increased storminess are preventing ice from attaching securely to land. Robinson describes the impact of climate change on Antarctica as sobering after 22 years of research. Public attitudes towards climate change are evolving, with less denial and more awareness. Time is running out to perform crucial scientific experiments in Antarctica before major shifts occur.